Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fast forward reels on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and click the plus sign button at the bottom of your screen to create the reel. So from here, just select reel from the options below and then use your Instagram camera. So just scroll to the top until you find camera and then click that. As the top part, you'll see 1 times. Just click that and choose the speed that you want to apply to your video. So I'm just gonna choose 2 times and then record the video. And once you're done recording and you click next, the 2 times speed will apply to your video automatically. So that's how you can easily fast forward reels on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!